Macquarie Capital have been a critical element for the success of the asset. They have been supporting us first to take the first strategical decisions. Then they have been also supportive with the team, and they have provided us enough autonomy and capacity to take our own decisions on the industrial part of the business. So it's been a great partnership in that sense.
We took a big risk in a market that was quite unexplored, putting together an idea that was quite original, creating a platform, a concept that was not there before. It has proven to be a game changer in the telco industry. Onivia aims to provide both large and small ISPs with a platform so that they can offer greater choice and service to end users in both urban and rural areas.
It's been a very exciting story. We were born only 4 years ago, November 2019, with the acquisition of the first asset, 900K building units. At the end of the first year, we had the first 2 customers onboarded. 2021 was also a fantastic year because we get the first asset on rural areas and we go up to almost 2.2 million fiber homes. We continue growing inorganically, buying another assets, and also a story of growth because we are now looking into other industries, as for example energy companies that want to come into the telco arena. And in fact, we have the first energy company using our network.
Being a neutral platform, connecting any operator that wants to work with us means that whenever we are present, we're going to be enhancing competition. There's going to be greater choice for the end user, a greater quality of service as well.
Onivia supports the Spanish community in 3 different lines. First, contributing to close the digital bridge. This means that we are rolling out and doing densification of fiber in rural areas where they don't have internet access. Second, on digital education, we are closing agreements with local governments in order to provide this fiber access to schools and communities. And finally, we have agreed on the board level the net zero compromise for 2050. We are reducing our emissions in carbon and reducing also the consumption of the network. I think the role we're playing is significantly important for the country.
The way we want to stay ahead of the curve is to add more assets to the mix so we can transform assets and businesses that people didn't perceive as infrastructure and make them good infrastructure vehicles for people to invest.